Welcome back to a sailing channel.
I feel like an old man, like I can't see out of the window. So goodbye to chances of sailing. Every time. It's like a storm comes in every time.
Okay, so there's a small craft advisory out, which means we're not going to sail today. But we already drove an hour and a half, so we're going to take this time to do some boat maintenance before we go back. But first we got to get to the boat, which means getting super wet. So I got my umbrella on.
You ready for this?
Yikes! Okay, open that door.
Oh, I left the keys in the car.
Doug left the car on. It's good that he forgot his keys. Oh, that's how he forgot his keys.
I'm slipping in my shoes. Oh man.
Yeah. Don't fall in. Slippery.
There's some water there,
I
Doug.
have to install that. That's from when we were just doing the steaming light before we left.
Did you not seal it yet?
Well, I wet my bed. It's leaking all through here. And I think it's actually, I was looking, this is all pretty good here, and the water's sitting on top here, so I think it's coming from the actual
Hatch.
yeah, the little window part. Yay, boat fun! Gosh. Yeah, the outside feels a little bit crummy. At least it's not like a port window or anything. This one is like detached and be able to work on. What is going on now? It's like a constant drip.
What'd you do, Doug?
I cleaned it off so it wouldn't be so wet in there. That worked well. Oh, okay.
Go fix it.
Alright.
Oh, that's a nice shot of your butt.
Is it nice and warm in there?
Yeah,
It's cozy.
that's great. That didn't take long.
Yeah, a little boat work. I think I might have done it.
Hey, you fixed it again.
For now. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna one. This is gonna drip one. So I swing into bed every night. Isn't that funny? Normally Jessica's here taking up this area, so it's a little harder than that. And I have to get like all in her space.
Do you have to put your feet in her face too?
No, I put my head in her way. So when I climb in, this way, I have to like go like this to get my butt around without hitting anything, and it's really awkward. But this is our bed, and we love it. I hated it at first. I thought it was the worst place in the world. I was like, whatever I have to do this. There's some stuff down there for sure. Hey, and a zip tie.
It's not bad though.
Yeah. Yeah, because all this water is probably what came from over here.
Yeah.
Ew. Bird neighbors are the worst neighbors. I blame Ralph. He's my neighbor bird. He's right there. He's doing his exercise.
Where?
Right there. He's doing exercises again. He does it every day. His name's Ralph.
We are trying to go for Doug's first sail on his boat. And since we just had a small craft advisory, we thought it might be good to go out reefed. We've never reefed on this boat before, and we think it's not set up to reef, so we're going to try to figure out
Add some line.
how to reef his sail. We got some line that just ends here with the reef, and it needs to go all the way from here to here. And we're just kind of basing this on the 25-footer that we sailed on. I'm sure there'll be a better way to rig this up for sailing, but for now, we're gonna do the Doug and Jason way. Okay, but first we gotta read our books to figure out how to tie two lines together. Hey, good.
I can read good.
Good work tying your knots together, Doug. That looks pretty good.
I'm getting learned. I
Now,
don't want to be a sailor yet.
not really sure what you're doing here, but
Either. We'll figure it out.
how are you gonna get it up tight though?
Down here.
Hey, good job. You got your first reef in.
I'm actually kind of nervous about going sailing with Jason for the first time on my boat, cause like, I don't know, I want to do good. What if I don't? I don't know, cause I think a lot of it makes me feel like I have to prove I'm capable. I know I am, but like I feel like I have to prove it just because my family's gonna be, you know, on this boat, and so it's a little nervous. Luckily, I have Jason as crew, so I know I can tell him what I need him to do, and he'll do it, and he'll know what to do. And then just to hopefully one day translate all that to my family. Because last time we left, it was hectic. We left the line tied, you know. So anyways, I'm gonna start the engine and get ready to go. Okay, are we ready? Yeah, let me get this over here first. Well, 4 knots. 3.9. We're downwind now, right?
Let me know, but this, my excitement level, joy level, just went through the roof.
Yeah. Well, I'm nervous. I'm totally like you when we first took your boat out. So
I'm not nervous at all. I am excited about this. Hey, Captain Doug.
I'm happy about this.
That was pretty sweet.
I was really nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
It took us like, what, an hour to prepare?
Yeah, it's more just, you know, like buying time before you had to do it.
You know, that is very unlike you. I must say, it's a lot more Jason than Doug.
Yeah. I've been very cautious with this because this is like our home, so Lake Doug's different than Ocean Doug. Because I know one big mess up is all it's going to take for Jessica to go, we're going home, we're going to find a home, and then we're going to go there.
This right here is a good reminder of why we're going through everything else that goes with it that is not fun, which is nearly everything else.
So now I don't know what to say because we have real fun, and then we have boat fun. What do we call actual fun on a boat?
How about we just call it
Fun.
Nerd hat. So why don't you go faster?
I'm babying my motor. I'm going to go ahead and go faster.
Yeah, go faster. I mean, this is the time when it's just you and me to put the boat to the test.
6 knots. This is the speed I was going when I overheated last time.
Sweet. Hey, Doug, I was super proud of you for fixing your motor.
I was too, and I was like, hey guys, I fixed the motor. They're like, cool, dad.
Yeah, that's just because they know. That's because they know you'll fix it. I know how hard it is, and to troubleshoot all those things, I was super impressed.
I was nervous taking the first thing off.
gosh, this is awesome. I wish the kids would be here.
I know, and it's like really good weather right now too, compared to earlier.
We're pretty close.
Huh?
Pretty close.
To the ocean?
Yeah.
Yeah, just we got this.
This is you're the captain.
It's your boat, man.
Alright.
Those birds are cracking me up.
Ralph, is that you? Are you saying hi?
We're almost in the ocean.
This is so much fun. We are going on the ocean by ourselves, unsupervised. Those last two markers, once we pass them, we will actually be in the open ocean. This is so amazing.
They're coming with us!
That was so awesome.
Oh my gosh, I love dolphins so much. This just feels like such a good reward after all the hard work in the past couple weeks. Like, I mean, we're actually out and sailing in it, and like, really hope my family has fun doing this too. Because this is the whole reason we're doing this. Like, go and just do something crazy, just explore and just see new things. I mean, like, I mean, yeah, it's just the ocean around me, but oh man, like just seeing everything from a different perspective, and I don't know. I really hope my family gets into this.
Jason! Do you see what we're going into? There's a storm over there. Here we go.
That's pretty nasty.
No, it's gonna storm for sure. It's gonna get wet. Alright, I can start turning now.
Just make sure you go head to wind. Whoa! Whoa! Your bow almost went in the water there. I don't know what I'm caught on. Oh, I'm caught on your spreader.
I gotta say, it's getting harder to see the beach there. No, pull that one in so it locks it. Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
All right. I guess we're.
Are we sailing? I don't know.
I don't know.
What's your speed
Let's
say?
see what our speed is. Dead in the water. No,
Do we have any wind?
not much.
I feel it coming from this way. So,
No, we are 1.1 knots.
I can see how this would be scary if weather starts to hit you.
Yeah. This only goes one direction. We're turning like a crazy person.
I mean,
There we go. The wind just filled the sail.
we're on the ocean and it calmed down. I can't believe there's no wind.
Right? Like, it's supposed to be like this crazy day. I mean, there's something over there.
It's a flat ocean. Well, now what?
I don't know. I'm gonna wait a long time for this moment. Now it's here.
And we're not moving.
So that was fun. Well, we did it. 2.3 knots.
We are sailing?
Oh my gosh.
Doug, where's our wind?
It went away. It's supposed to be these big winds today, and I'm not seeing it.
Are we moving? Can we say we're sailing?
We can definitely say we're sailing. We are moving.
Are we moving backwards or forwards?
That's a good question.
Hey, look at the bubbles. We're moving forward. We're sailing. We're sailing.
All right, well, since we're sailing, let's turn this thing off. All right, it's off.
We're sailing. 100% sailing. Pure wind power. Sailing on an ocean. It's just you, me, this boat.
Now let's get our family on it. Not on all one boat, though.
Yeah, not on.
It's too much. But we did it on your little boat. We were just fine with it. Oh, man. Dew moment?
Mountain Dew moment.
Woo! I think we earned this one.
Okay, I haven't drunk a Mountain Dew in 9 months.
It's worth it. I promise.
Oh, sugar. That is a lot of sugar. Oh, that looks pretty good.
I mean, it moves so much up here. Kind of feels like we're sailing now. I gotta say, it was a lot harder to get to this point than I thought. I know, that's the only thing I'm concerned about is the storm. Really about the weather.
So yeah, it's starting to get a little windy up ahead. Getting stronger. Slightly nervous. Ooh, a crab pot in front of us.
Oh wow. The wind really picked up. So we're gonna go down the way and it feels like we're not going. 6.3 knots. 6.3 knots.
Doug, we're making a wake. We're making a good wake. We're moving good.
Tommy's doing its job. Good job, Tommy Otto. Hey, Tommy. Tell Brownie you said hi. Look, he's waving back and forth.
You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail. And there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep, my faith will stand. Soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours. You are mine. Your grace abounds in deepest waters.
This is so awesome seeing these dolphins. Oh my gosh, they're right there. Ah! There's more coming! There's two more joining, Jason, to the right. Ah! Oh my gosh. Why didn't they come with me today? Oh, this is like everything. Oh my gosh, there's like 6 of them out there now. Loving this right now.
Man! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh man! Now I really wish everyone was here.
Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever.
Yeah, I figured out autopilot.
And my faith
Oh my gosh, there's some more back behind us. There's some more back behind us. They keep coming from over here and joining the other ones.
Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith
Yeah, it is.
will be
I wish the kids were here for this.
in the presence of my Savior.
Dude, there's like 8 of them right there. Look at that. Oh.
Trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me. And take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
They're just swimming with us, man.
Okay, I'm glad I have autopilot. I mean, is this a sign or what?
Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. I will call upon
I wish there was a way to capture the vastness of what we see.
By the end of this, I think we're gonna have 15 nautical miles. It sounds so sad, but so awesome.
Oh, you need to do captain's log.
Yeah. I did. It's right there. It's all on there.
Are you gonna do a paper one?
I am. I'm not getting all the paper charts though. I can't afford that.
No, but like paper
Some main-
log and
yeah.
record the weather and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I wonder what we should record. I mean, what? I have no idea what we're supposed to write down. Do you?
No, but that's why I'm gonna buy like the one that has like fill in the blanks. 'Cause
Hey, if you know what we're supposed to put in a captain's log, that'd be great if you could comment below and tell us.
tell us what we need to know for the future when we look back at our times. It's all right here, man.
Well, maybe we don't do it right this time, but the next time. We'll
Yeah.
know. Man, it's so slow.
So, can't wait for our families to be out here, which luckily for somebody, they have like the dream scenario of coming to Florida and looking at, oh, I guess you had a transmission issue, but you know.
Yeah, my transmission died.
As soon as you got to Florida, everything was looking up. Whoa, that was a big wave. Did you see that? Woo! You looked at a couple boats. How many boats you look at?
Looked at 3 boats, and I ended up getting the second boat that we looked at, Hunter 46. And we are under contract, and I've got a inspection coming up in the next week.
I guess I do have to keep in mind you had a bigger budget than me.
I did, yeah.
Yeah, because looking in my range, there's whoa. Awesome. Good thing we have autopilot, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, so he has a boat to go start.
The bad news
Everything's
is
good?
I got to go to Pensacola
Yeah.
to go through the survey and sea trial.
We're back together, and then you just split up the team.
Yeah, well, now that we've gone out on the ocean, you can go out with Jessica and the kids.
Yeah. Feel pretty confident with that.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm so nervous. Well, I know why. We're on the ocean, and we're on a boat, so that's a big step.
No, not to me. See you next time.
Bye.
Oh, wait. Hit the like button and subscribe to be notified. And there's a bell somewhere.
Yeah, yeah, like ding.
Bye.
Can he touch it? Can he touch it? We're still doing these childish games. We're on the ocean, man. No. Yeah! Oh, turn back, turn back!